Hi friends, welcome to today's class. Today's question is A can do a work in 10 days and B can do the same work in 12 days. How many days will they take to do the same work if both work together? So this is a very common question which is asked in the competitive exams. So A is able to do a work in 10 days and B is able to do the same work in 12 days. Then if A and B are working together, how much time will they take? So that's the question given. These type of questions come under the category of time and work. And this category questions can be done by using a common method which can be said as chocolate method. It's not a shortcut method, but we can say it is an approach. Chocolate method is an approach to these kind of problems. In chocolate method, what we are doing is that we will be considering the amount of work to be done is equal to number of chocolates to be consumed. So we will be having the total number of chocolates to be consumed, and from that we will be finding out how many chocolates are consumed by A in one day and how many number of chocolates are consumed by B in one day, and then depending upon that we can easily find out how many days will be taken if both A and B are eating chocolates together. So it's an easy approach to these kind of problems. So let's see how it works. So first we have to write down what is the number of chocolates. So when we take the number of chocolates, we have to take it as a multiple of both 10 and 12. Here A is taking 10 days to complete and B is taking 12 days to complete. And we have to find out how many chocolates are eaten by A in one day and how many chocolates are eaten by B in one day. So for the easiness of calculation, we have to take the number of chocolates as a multiple of both 10 and 12. So we can say we have to take the LCM of 10 and 12 as the number of chocolates. So the LCM of 10 and 12 is 60. Therefore, the number of chocolates is equal to 60. Now we have to find out the number of chocolates consumed by A in one day. So it is given A is completing the work in 10 days. So that is A will be consuming 60 divided by 10 is equal to 6. So A will be having 6 chocolates per day. And what about B? B is doing the same work in 12 days. That is B is finishing 60 chocolates in 12 days. So that means B will be having 60 divided by 12 is equal to 5 chocolates per day. So here we are getting this 6 and 5, we are getting whole numbers. We are not getting any decimal or something, we are getting whole numbers 6 and 5 because we took the number of chocolates as the LCM of 10 and 12. So that is the trick here. In order to make the calculation easier, you have to take the number of chocolates as the LCM of the data given. So since we have taken 60, we will get A will have 6 chocolates per day and B will be having 5 chocolates per day. So how many chocolates A and B will be together having? A plus B will be having 6 plus 5 is equal to 11 chocolates per day. When A and B are working together, A and B can consume 11 chocolates per day and the number of chocolates to be completed is 60. Therefore, the number of days taken will be 60 divided by 11 is equal to 5 by 11 days. When we are representing it as a mixed fraction, we will be getting 5 by 11. The total number of chocolates is 60 and the number of chocolates A and B together is having per day is 11. So, number of days required will be 60 by 11. So, it will be equal to 5 by 11 days. Now, let's go to example number 2. A, B and C can do a work in 4, 5 and 6 days respectively. How long will they take to do the same job if they work together? So A is taking 4 days to complete the work, B is taking 5 days to complete the work and C is taking 6 days to complete work. So if A, B and C are working together, how many days will they take to finish the same job? So here too we are using the chocolate approach. So we have to write down what's the number of chocolates, and number of chocolates is equal to the LCM of 4, 5 and 6. So we know the LCM of 4, 5 and 6 is equal to 60. So the number of chocolates consumed by A in one day will be given as 60 divided by 4 is equal to 15 chocolates per day. It's given A is completing the work in 4 days. So A will be having 15 chocolates per day. So A can complete 60 chocolates in 4 days. And B will be having 60 divided by 5 is equal to 12 chocolates per day. And C will be having 60 divided by 6 is equal to 10 chocolates per day. So when we are taking together, A plus B plus C will be having 37 chocolates per day. When A, B and C are working together, the three will be consuming together 37 chocolates per day. The total number of chocolates is 60. So the number of days taken when A, B and C are working together will be 60 divided by 37. The total number of chocolates is 60 and A, B and C together are consuming 37 chocolates per day. So the number of days taken will be 60 divided by 37. So it will be equal to 123 by 37 days when represented as a mixed fraction. Now let's go to example number 3. Varun can do a piece of work in 8 days which can be done by Arun in 10 days. How long will they take to do if they work together? So Varun is doing a piece of work in 8 days and Arun is doing the same piece of work in 10 days. So when Varun and Arun are working together, how many days will they take? So that's a question given. So again, using the chocolate approach, the number of chocolates will be equal to the LCM of 8 and 10. So it will be 40. So the number of chocolates Varun is having per day is given by 40 by 8 is equal to 5 chocolates per day. And Arun is taking 10 days to complete the work. So Arun will be having 40 divided by 10 is equal to 4 chocolates per day. So Varun plus Arun will be having 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 chocolates per day. The total number of chocolates is 40 and Varun and Arun together are having 9 chocolates per day. So number of days required if Varun and Arun are working together to complete the job will be given by 40 by 9 days. So it will be equal to 4 by 9 days when represented as a mixed fraction. The last example for the day. Arun and Mohan can do a piece of work in 6 days. Arun alone can do it in 10 days. What time will Mohan require to do it alone? So Arun and Mohan is doing a piece of work in 6 days and Arun alone is doing the piece of work in 10 days. And how many days Mohan will take if he is working alone? So that's a question given here. So using the chocolate approach, so number of chocolates will be equal to the LCM of 10 and 6. So it will be equal to 30. So Arun and Mohan is taking 6 days to complete the work. Or they are taking 6 days to consume 30 chocolates. So they will be having 30 by 6 is equal to 5 chocolates per day. And Arun is taking 10 days to complete the work, or he is taking 10 days to consume 30 chocolates. So he will be having 30 by 10 is equal to 3 chocolates per day. So Arun is consuming 3 chocolates per day and Arun and Mohan together are consuming 5 chocolates per day. So from there we will be getting Mohan is consuming 2 chocolates per day. So he is having 2 chocolates per day and the number of chocolates is equal to 30. So the number of days required for Mohan to finish the work will be given as 30 divided by 2. Total number of chocolates is 30 and Mohan is having 2 chocolates per day. So the total number of days required will be 30 by 2 is equal to 15 days. Thank you for watching.